What's going on, Boys and Girls Club? Coach Mohar back with another triple play body physical activity. I'm coming at you from the Cumming location, Cumming Elementary School. So today I'm going to be teaching you all how to do action rolls. So what you want to do with action rolls is you want to make sure you're being safe, so you got to stretch before you even start doing anything. So especially the neck. You just want to roll it around maybe 10 times each way. And your arms as well. Get those shoulders moving, your elbows as well, even your wrists some. And once you get your full body all warmed up, all stretched out, then you can start beginning your exercises. So in order to do this, you want to get some frontward momentum by getting a kind of run up. And after that, you kind of want to do what I was teaching about the handstand, where you kind of go down into it. So from here, you want to put one arm in front of the other and tuck your head into your shoulder so that you don't get hurt. As well as throw one leg up so you can get that rolling momentum. And then what you want to do, you'll start rolling. You want to do what I taught you in the hip video, the CLS, you want to get that C. So the roll. And then after that, you want to put your legs down and just keep running. Here's what it looks like in action. And of course, this is all about safety. So you want to make sure that when you're doing this, you are always aware of your body. Do something thousands of times before you actually implement it into real life. But for this action, specifically the action roll, you want to make sure that you're using it whenever you fall. Because when you fall, you actually put like thousands of pounds of pressure per square inch on your leg. It's a lot more than you would think it is. Your legs are just used to and adapt the pressure just from gravity and all this other stuff. But again, it's really bad for your knees and stuff. And if you fall a really far distance, I know kids at our school have gotten hurt from this. You want to make sure that you always try and incorporate that momentum into forward momentum rather than downward momentum. And that is where this action roll can really help out. So if I were just playing here and I wanted to fall, or if I just accidentally fell, then I could use the action roll to make sure that I stay safe and do not get hurt. So stay safe out there, everyone learn the action roll, and have a good day.